Hello, everyone. John here, and welcome to another session of ExpertGate's interview series, where we bring you insights from global experts across various fields. Today, we are honored to have Dr. Nadira Sultana Kakoly with us. Dr. Kakoli is a renowned epidemiologist with over 14 years of experience in research, uh, really highlighting her work expanding across public health, chronic disease research, and advanced epidemiological analysis, focusing on women's health and infectious diseases in low and middle income countries. Dr. Nadira is an award winner in multiple prestigious awards, including the 𝗘𝘅𝗍𝗂𝗏𝗂𝗍 Shepherd Award and grants from global organizations like the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Dr. Kakoly's contributions to academia and public health have been truly transformative. Dr. Nadira, thank you so much for joining with us today. Let's begin by delving into your inspiring journey. Could you provide a brief overview of your professional pathway and what really motivated you to specialize in your field?
Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity to talk to the viewers as well as yourself. Thank you for having me. So, talking about my professional journey, it actually began with a medical degree and early experience in clinical practice to a slight level. However, then I realized that my actually was in addressing health challenges at the population level, so which led me to pursue a master's in public health, and later I did a PhD in epidemiology from Australia. So actually, as you have already mentioned, I've worked extensively in both academia and research, and particularly in low and middle income countries. And my research has focused basically on infectious disease, communicable disease, maternal and child health, vaccine science, as well as the social determinants of health. So my work in population health research, it was inspired by my strong desire to contribute to evidence-based policies that improve health equity as well as outcomes, both globally as well as in the place that definitely that we're doing the work in.
Wonderful, Dr. Neria. Look, it's really all inspiring through your impactful journey, your dedication to advancing women's health and public health initiatives is truly commendable. Tackling infectious disease and all of that. Now, I'd like to explore your expertise and how that aligns with the mission and vision of ExpertGate itself. Now, as an academic and researcher with really extensive experience in public health and chronic disease epidemiology, what types of projects or collaborations are you most excited to explore through ExpertGate, Dr. Nadira?
Well, actually, I'm most excited to work on projects which align with my expertise, as you have mentioned. So I have a varied amount of experience working in both population health as well as data-driven approaches. And I have also worked in clinical research as well. So large-scale population health studies. Recently I have been heavily involved in capacity building initiatives, academia, so collaborations which focus on using data-driven approaches to address public health issues such as health equity, women's health, disease prevention, maternal health are particularly appealing to me. I'm also very much eager to engage in mentoring roles, training programs, research consultations to support young public health professionals as well as institutions. And I also see potential in collaborating on interdisciplinary projects that integrate public health with other disciplines, advanced technologies such as the big data analytics, maybe AI to develop innovative solutions for global health challenges that are emerging and also exist.
Oh, lovely, Dr. Nadira. I mean, with AI being such a forefront these days, it's almost you can never escape it from any kind of conversation. And having this data-driven approach to your work is truly awe-inspiring. Now, I'd like to ask, how do you see your work contributing to creating a positive social impact, particularly within the communities or industries that you engage with?
Well, my work is basically centered on creating sustainable solutions which improve
Mm.
outcomes for or health outcomes, particularly for the disadvantaged population. So, through my research, I have contributed to programs as well as policies which have targeted maternal and child health, NCDs, and also health system strengthening. As an academic and mentor, I have trained, I have guided many early career researchers, empowering them to give meaningful change in their communities. And by ensuring that my research is going to be translated into actionable health interventions and policy recommendations, I aim to reduce health disparities and promote health equity across populations.
Lovely, lovely. And Dr. Nadira, as you know, at ExpertGate, we dedicate 50% of all of our profits to developing curricula and teaching initiatives centered around on Industry 5.0 benefiting underprivileged communities worldwide. Now, how do you think, Dr. Nadira, how do you think we can further enhance these efforts, and what role can universities take and industries play in maximizing this impact?
Well, I believe to enhance these efforts, it's important that we design our curriculum, which is both inclusive and interdisciplinary. For example, our curriculum should integrate technical skills like data analysis and AI with human centered topics such as ethics, equity, and sustainability. And these programs could be tailored to unique challenges which are basically faced by underprivileged communities. And the role of universities in supporting this mission could be by collaborating with industry to provide real world learning opportunities, mentorship, funding, and technological resources. And together we can foster innovation while we can also ensure that education and skill development initiatives bridges the gap in accessing opportunities for underprivileged populations.
Oh, Dr. Nadira, thank you so much for your insightful contributions today. I mean, your expertise in epidemiology and public health serves as a guiding light for the next generation of researchers and educators. Now, to our audience, thank you for tuning in into ExpertGate's interview series. Stay connected for more inspiring conversations with global thought leaders and for more information about Dr. Nadira's work at ExpertGate and our initiatives, you can find this at expertgate.org for ExpertGate. For everyone,
Thank you.
be well.